Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Laurel Road Student Loans. Review my usage experience. Laurel Road Student Loans Review My Usage Experience offers information and comparisons of student loan refinancing options from Laurel Road. It's mainly targeted at students and recent graduates looking to refinance their federal or private student loans for potentially better interest rates and repayment terms. Key features likely include rate comparisons, loan calculator tools, and information on the application process. Their website provides details on various refinancing options, including fixed and variable interest rates, loan terms, and eligibility requirements. They emphasize a streamlined application process and competitive rates, claiming to offer transparency and no hidden fees. The process relies on their online platform and clearly presented data, making it easy to compare options. Availability is primarily for U.S. residents who meet their credit and income criteria. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Laurel Road Student Loans. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. The website is well designed and easy to navigate. I quickly input my loan details into their calculator, and it presented me with several potential refinancing scenarios. I really appreciated the clear comparison chart they provided. It highlighted the differences in interest rates, monthly payments, and loan terms for each option. The entire process was surprisingly straightforward. The site performed flawlessly, loading quickly and presenting data without any glitches. I was impressed by how clearly they laid out the fees and interest calculations. There were no hidden surprises. I had a quick question about the eligibility requirements and their support team responded within 2 days via email, which was acceptable. A standout feature for me was definitely the interactive loan calculator. It was incredibly intuitive and helped me understand the financial implications of different refinancing options. One minor drawback was the slightly limited information on the various repayment plans available post-refinancing. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Laurel Road's online tools to research my refinancing options. It provided me with the information I needed to make an informed decision, and the user experience was excellent. That's my overview of Laurel Road Student Loans. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.